Designed specifically to protect your bike's delicate finish during cleaning. Made with an oversized head for fast cleaning of large areas. Ideal for cleaning your bike frame and components. Rubberized impact zones for maximum bicycle protection. Muc-Off Soft Washing Brush has been designed with a sintered bristle compound to make light work of bike cleaning, while also caring for delicate finishes. The Muc-Off Soft Washing Brush is perfect for your bike frame and components and makes for an essential addition to your bike cleaning kit. The unique design of a Muc-Off brush features an impact-resistant, dual-density handle that won't slip in extreme conditions, an oversized head for fast cleaning of large areas and rubberized impact zones for maximum protection. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice. I just received my brush today and that was on time. This brush works very well. I was able to get everything clean that I wanted. I also ordered Muc-Off Mox 904 Nanotech Bike Cleaner that is fully biodegradable. This combination was very effective. The soap and brush easily cleaned off the chain oil that was deposited on the bike frame. I would recommend finding a separate cleaner for the chain itself because that is going to have plenty of oil and dirt to clean. The soap itself, even though I used it moderately, gave it a good cleaning, but I believe a dedicated cleaner would have done a fantastic job of that. I will be shopping for that next. Maybe even looking into one of those multi-brush bicycle chain cleaning systems. Lastly, a little trick to keep from wasting the soap. Just turn the spray nozzle counterclockwise in the direction of closing just until it's not overspraying and somewhat a little hard to squeeze. I didn't use very much using this technique and got my whole bike cleaned nicely. Otherwise, I believe if I opened it up enough, it would have sprayed a lot and drained the bottle. Hope this helps.